Okay, hi guys, hi everyone. So, lately a lot of people have been asking that I should teach them how to dance. So today I want to show you guys how to twist the waist, which is called ngin. So yeah, let's go. Put some music. Okay, it's very important to know how to do the footwork because you are controlling everything from your feet. So watch my feet very carefully. So as you can see, I'm doing everything for my feet. Look, back and forth. And then your waist is going with you. And if you want to do this, you have to keep twisting while you move your leg. You see, this leg, when it does this, this is the tax of this leg. And this one goes back and forth. You see? You have to do like this. This one stays still. You see? And if you want to walk, this one you walk like this, step by step. This one also, you do like this. And your waist, keep twisting. You twist your waist like this. Okay, it looks crazy, but that's how to do it. Look. Steps. Oh, this is blacking out. You see? You do everything with one leg. Again.